channel picture na lang guys, si Carl Heinz lang. Ito yung video niya. Okay. Saka kakain tayo guys. Kakain pa rin. Yung walang kamatayan miningit eating contest. Eating contest tayo. While watching La Palma, Santa Cruz de La Palma from Carl Heinz. That's my German friend. Shout out tayo. Yan, my darling. Una dyan ko yung nanonood ng video ko, yung yan si Carl Heinz, may-ari ng Heinz ketchup, charot. Joke lang ha. Yan, pagkain ito, no? While watching, eating, let's eat. Anyway, shout out mo tayo sa nanonood ng yung vlog ko na thank you so much, drawn from life, super thanks for the super thanks pala, sorry. So ito yung nagko-comment, so shout out tayo kay Natalie German, yan si Natalie, ma'am Natalie, number 1 on the list yan. Natalie Germs, yan. Nandito rin si si Miga Natalie rin siya, si Naga. Saka si shout out din si si yung to Billiard King, si Bidadia. Okay, billiard, magaling sa billiard yan. Nandiyan si Naturescape Serenity. Okay. Ito rin si Miko Netizen, yan. Kasi ongoing yung pag-play natin kay yun, ganda. Carl Heinz video ito. La Palma, Santa Cruz, yan. Ganda na. Shout out Carl Heinz. I'm playing your video right now. Look, maganda. Tapos kakain tayo ng ganda ng lugar nila. I think Germany man, sa German na siya. So Germany yata, or either Austria. So Mikot Pesen, yan. Parang maliit yung cellphone to. So si Chem2 family, shout out si Buoy Palad, yan, shout out. Yan, Buoy Palad. Shout out si Bunda family, shout out. Shout out natin si Philly Lifestyle, shout out ma'am. Saka si Tuanche, yan, shout out Tuanche. Then let's go to ito, maganda to. Hirapan ako doon sa kabila cellphone So shout out din tayo sa kamayang Ma'am Fatima Sahida, yung member natin sa membership. Dalawa sila, si Ma'am Sahida saka si Drawn from Life, dalawa yung member ko. So Drawn from Life, shout out, yan. Tapos na si video niya. Yan, thank you for watching. Okay, shout out tayo dito kay Ma'am Shen. Okay, ito si Kim2 family, shout out, yan. Ano pa? So hindi ko na kilalang iyo ba? So kay Fish 991, shout out din. Okay. Ulit tayo kay Ma'am Shin yata yun. Anyway, si Drawn from Life, si Ma'am Fatima Sahida, shout out. Yung dalawa kong members. Yan, members, your members. Ito yung kita natin. Ito, kita natin yan. So, salamat. Ito na si Ma'am. I'm playing Ma'am Shen video right now. Yan. Campanilla. So, medyo post lang konti. Sirain na yung my laptop is very old. I need to that's the laptop. That's my laptop. The monitor is badly damaged, and then I connect it to my television sharp. Yeah. But also I think the system is damaged. The laptop system is damaged. So sometimes monitor will shake frequently. Okay, that's Ma'am Shen. Okay. So shout out Ma'am Shen. I'm playing your video now. Shout out. Okay, ito tayo. Okay, shout out din tayo nito while watching Ma'am Shen. Yo. Shout out din tayo kay Ma'am Pilam. Ito si Ma'am Pilam. Pilam Country, shout out. Pilam Country Living. Okay. Shout out din natin si yung gaming channel, si Kawatem. Yung friends natin na si Stagtik. Yeah, shout out Stagtik. Yeah. Shout out natin si Enrique yan. Shout out. Okay. Shout out natin si Ospads. Yan. So, si Gaming Zone, shout out. Yan. Shout out natin si Boss Lando, the Explorer. Yan. Shout out to all. And thank you, Ma'am Shen, for the music. Galing yan. Okay.